Hello, George, and everyone over there at Super Roofer. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles, and this is the video I had mentioned that I will send to you. This video will show you numbers of who's looking for your service here in Philadelphia, and also I'm going to go over a few things, three main tips you can do to start capturing more of that traffic, getting people to come to you. Now, why do I do this? I do this because number one, I've realized a lot of business owners are way too busy to start implementing these things. And number two, there's so much information out there, so many people who are in my field. So it's hard to stand out and show that I do have some quality. So I figure if I can give you some free advice, if you like what you see, please don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm here in Philadelphia as well. The other reason I do this is because I know that about 90% of people, when they're looking for local services just like yours, they'll use Google. For example, if I'm looking for a roofing contractor in Philadelphia, most probably I'll type in roofing contractor in Philadelphia if I don't have your name in my head. With all these results, first you'll see Google Ads, and then you'll see this map pack, this area with businesses and the map. I'm going to talk about this in a while, and then you'll see these other results. 90% of people use Google to look for these kind of services. 70% do not leave the front page. So it's important to be up here. And I'll show you that it's not too. So just one other thing with this keyword, roofing contractor in Philadelphia. I use a tool called Ahrefs to study keywords, to research websites, etc. And what I found is that for a keyword like roofing contractor in Philadelphia, there are about 300 people a month who look for that. 350 people a month who look for that. I'm sure you could gain with at least 10 people coming to you for this service. Not only that, the other keywords, for example, Philadelphia roofing contractors, 350 people look for that every month. Roofing companies in Philadelphia, 350 people look for that every month. Philadelphia roofing company, 350. Roofing contractors, Philadelphia. And there are more. Roof repair Philadelphia, about 250 people look for that every month. Philadelphia roof repair, 250. And you can tell these are very buyer intent keywords, meaning if someone's Googling roofers in Philadelphia, PA, or just roofers in Philadelphia, the probability is they're going to use that service. They're looking for that service within Philadelphia. Okay, so coming to your website. It's important to include these keywords on your site, definitely. In fact, to optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page, sprinkled in with these keywords. There's a certain ratio that you should put one keyword for every certain number of words. And not only that, even the pictures on your site. For example, if I try and save a picture here, for example, this picture here, I can tell that you saved it as protection, business company, risk management, blah, 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 blah. Sorry. It's important to save them as keywords. This is just to increase your relevancy. So for example, I would save this as roof repair Philadelphia, picture 1, etc. So that's content. And on your back pages, it's important. You have quite a bit of back pages. That's good. But it's also important to include the specific keywords relative to each page. So that is a content. Next is citations. Now let's go back to the search. A citation helps you get higher and higher in this area here known as the map pack, where you have a map of the local area and 3 businesses. So how do you rank higher and higher in here? You can see that it's not necessarily. Let's look at the other businesses. It's not correlated with reviews. Otherwise, someone with lower reviews would always be lower and below the person with higher reviews. Well, a lot of it has to do with citations. A citation is when your business is cited or is put into different directories online. Your business name, address, and phone number, exactly as they are in your Google My Business profile. If they're put on more directories online than your competitors, and more relevant directories, you'll start to rank higher here. Now, these online directories, I mean directories like networks.com, Better Business Bureau, superpages.com, yellowpages.com. In fact, I have a giant list of a lot of places where you can find citations, where you can be put in as a citation. Well, they have to be in the country. So chiefmall.com, homeblue.com, buildzoom.com, etc. Well, the tools out there that you can look at your competitors, find out where they're cited, their citations, and then double or even triple the number of citations that they have. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And backlinks have to do this area here below the search results, below the map pack, known as the organic listings area section. So, and I'm going to use Philly's Finest Roofing.net as an example because I know I've seen their trucks, they're a competitor of yours here. So, backlinks. A backlink is when a different website links to you. So, meaning, for example, if there's a roofing contractor forum and they have a blog up and they have a link to you, that's a good backlink. It's relevant. Not all backlinks are the same. If a McDonald's links to you, Google sees that and knows that that's not relevant. So it's seen as spammy. So whenever people tell you, hey, we'll give you so many backlinks, yes, they may, but they may not be relevant. It may be cheap, but not relevant. So it's important to actually know what kind of backlinks you're getting. A good trick I do is using competitors. So let's go back to my tool here, the Site Explorer. I'm going to put in Philly's Finest Roofing. And you can be able to tell what backlinks they have. They only have 62 backlinks from 27 domains. And this is what I meant. It's not hard to get more and higher quality backlinks from them. So go in, find out what backlinks your competitor has. Make sure that you have more and more relevant backlinks than them. And you'll start to see more traffic. All of this search volume, I'm sure if you focus on a few target keywords, your traffic will increase. What's 20, 30, 40 more calls a month? What could that do for you? Because you've seen the numbers that are looking for you. So thank you very much, George. I appreciate your time. Again, my name is Charles. I'm with Warley Digital here in Philadelphia. This is my phone number right here if you'd like to give me a call. Otherwise, feel free to take these tips and use them. Give them to your website SEO person. If you like what you've seen, please reach out to me, and I'm willing to help you get more and more clients and grow. Thank you very much.